Okay, so when you're ready to print and you have not installed a printer yet, please install printer 23, and those directions are above the closet. For your mosaic, you're going to want to go ahead and use Google Chrome to search for your image. In this case, I'm going to search for the Arizona Diamondbacks logo. I want to go to Images. Okay. I want to go to Tools, and I want to go to Size. I want to go to Large. This way, I get the largest logo to print out from my 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. That way, it's not too pixelated. Go ahead. This is the logo I want. I'll click on it. Then I will right-click and choose Save Image As. Once I do that, I will go ahead and I will put it in my Mosaics folder into my, I should have a sports folder here. There we go, sports logos. And I have a baseball folder here. All right, so I'll go ahead, oops, like I have it already, but I'll save it again. And I'm going to save this as a PNG image, or JPEG will be fine as well. Hit save. Now you see here at the bottom, I can open it in Photoshop. That's what this little PS means. But I want to go ahead and click that little arrow to show in folder. All right, now once that comes up, the little blue highlight here will show me what image it is. I will then go ahead and right-click and go to Open With. Now, if Photoshop is not available, you will choose another app. And then scroll down until you find more apps. And then scroll down until you find Photoshop. Select it and hit OK. And then it'll open. So now that we've opened up our image in Photoshop, we're going to want to make two printings. We're going to make a regular printing and a flipped image. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to File, Print, and oh, hey, it looks like our image is a little bit big, so we'll hit Cancel. Go to Image Size, and you'll notice our width is 16 and our height's by 13. We want an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So I'll go ahead and hit height as 8. It's an 8 by 10 now. That should work. Hit OK. It'll resize it, and we'll try it again. Go to File, Print, and there we go. Now, if your image is too small when you print, you can literally use these little corner squares to resize your image. Okay. Remember, Skyline Printer 23. We have vertical or a portrait, and we have horizontal or landscape printing. We're choosing landscape printing in this case, and we'll hit Print. Okay, and that'll print the first one. And then what we want to do is go to Image, Image Rotation, Flip Canvas Horizontally. Now what this does is this is going to give us a reversed image so we can tattoo it to the board. Same process, File, Print, Print 1. Remember, Skyline Printer 23, and done. All right, that's that. All right, so now that you've printed your regular and your flipped image, your regular image is for reference, so you can look at it in case you get a bad tattooing from your flipped image. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to get a board, okay? It's a 9 by 12 board. You want to get your flipped image, and you're going to want to center it on your board, okay? You can eyeball it, get some masking tape, and tape down one edge. Now what's going to happen is it's going to end up like this, where we tattoo it and it flips and it'll turn out like this. And I'll show you that right now. You're going to need is glasses, nitrile gloves, and xylene. I also use a baby jar because it helps to rub down the picture after you do it. So what I want to do is I want to get a picture that's a better picture than that. We're going to do this one, okay? We're going to spray our xylene on here. We're going to flip it back over. Use the baby jar. Rub that picture down on the wood. Hopefully that xylene will transfer that image to the board. Voila.